See children, so one more circuit he is here. This is 2 ohms, 2 ohms, 2 ohms, 2 ohms, 4 ohms, 4 ohms, 4 ohms, and 2 ohms, 2 ohms, and here battery 12 volts. So the current is I flowing through here. So find the equivalent resistance between A and B. So this is A and this is B, and find the current. Clear? Now solution. That means again you have to draw the circuit. This is the circuit diagram. Now first of all we have to calculate this circuit from the both sides, from the left side and right side. So see here, from these 2 ohms and 2 ohms are in series, not parallel, series. Why this is series? Because of these 4 ohms resistance connecting between these 2 ohms and 2 ohms. I understand? These 4 ohms, suppose this X and this Y. This X Y connecting between how many resistors are connecting? 2 ohms and 2 ohms. There is any not joining with any resistor. So that's why these 2 ohms and 2 ohms are series. And these 2 ohms and 4 ohms are in, is it series? No, it is parallel. Why? Because these 4 ohms connecting between 2 ohms. These 4 ohms connecting between only 2 ohms. But here no resistors here or here. So that's why this 4 ohms is connecting between 2 ohms is parallel. So that's why from the left side, these 2 ohms and these 2 ohms connecting the 4 ohms means parallel. Or understand? So first of all we have to see RSL 2 plus 2 4 ohms, and RSL is parallel to 4 ohms. RSL is parallel to 4 ohms. So that's why we can go with RP is equals to 4 into RSL by 4 into RSL by 4 plus RSL. So that is equals to 4 into 4 by RSL means 4 ohms. 4 plus 4. That is equals to 16 by 8. So that is equals to 2 ohms. So here the entire this circuit, that means this circle, the entire this circle, how much? 2 ohms. How much? 2 ohms. Now see from right side, RPR is equals to 2 into 4 by 2 plus 4. So that means 8 by 6. 8 by 6. So how much? 2 3s are and 2 4s are. So 3.33 ohms. 3.33 ohms will be coming. So see, let us check it. 1 3 of 4 is equals to 3 1s are 3, again 0.033s are 9, sorry 1.33, 1.33. So 9 1 0 3, 1.33 ohms. So RPR is equals to 1. So here 4 and 2 ohms can be how much? 1.33 ohms. Now the new circuit diagram can be recorded as how much? This is 2 ohms, and here also 2 ohms, and here 4 ohms, and here 2 ohms, and here 1.33 ohms, and here 2 ohms, but here is battery, that is equals to 12 ohms. So now these 4 ohms across 2 ohms, 1.33 ohms and 2 ohms are in series. So these are in series. So R, yes, R is equals to 2 plus 1.33 plus 2, that is equals to 5.33 ohms. 5.33 ohms. This series is parallel to 4 ohms. So that's why RSR is parallel to 4 ohms. So that's why RP is equals to 4 into RSR by 4 plus RSR, that is equals to 4 into 5.33 by 4 plus 5.33. So 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 13, 4 5s are 20, 21.32 by 9.33. You can regard as 2132 by 933. So here 933 of 2132. 2132. So how many times 933 once? 933, 933 twos, 2 9s are 18. So 2 table, so 3 9s 27. So 3 table is not giving. So go with 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18. So 6 will come here, and 13 out of 6 7. So we will come 13 out of 12 out of 6 6 will here come, and 20 out of it 266. So 0.0. Now again 2 table or third table? 2 table only, not for 3. In 3 means 3 9s are 27 will come, so it is not going with 2.2 only here. So again 1866. You can go with 4, and here 9, and here 25, that means 7. So 794. Again we can go with the 0 here. Now 933, 8s or 9 9s are 81 kabatti, so we can go with 8. So 8 3s are 24. So 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 2 26, 8 9s are 72, 72 plus 2 74. So that's enough. So 6, and here go with 8, so 7, and here go with 5 out of 4, 9 4 476 will come again with 0. So you can go with 8 5s like that. So 2.285, 2.285 ohms. So this for the RP. RP means here, so the entire 2 ohms, 1.33 ohms and 2 ohms, these are the series. That means 5.33. This 5.33 is parallel to 4 ohms. We can go with parallel, so we can get the RP is equals to 2.285. 2.285. So what is the new circuit? Here 2 ohms, here 2 ohms, and here 2.285 ohms, and this is a battery 12 volts. Again this is A and this is B, so these all are in series. Now R equivalent is equals to 2 plus 2 plus 2.285, that is equals to 6.285 ohms. Now what is I? Is equals to V by R. So that means 12 divided by 6.285. You can calculate the I value and give the answer. Clear? So these are the circuits. How can we resolving from the left to right side, or right to left side, or middle of the any circuit? Let us see how can we find the individual currents, and how can we find the individual voltage from the parallel and series circuit. Let us see. See here, this is the new circuit. So from this circuit we have find the